Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can flatten your stomach on FaceTune, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the FaceTune app and already logged in, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune apps on its screen, where you can see the plus icon at the bottom. Simply tap on that option and you can select any of these photos from the library. So let me select one of them, and now at the bottom of the screen you can see the lots of options, and in the retouch section you can see behavior, enhance look, and so on. And you can also find the reshape option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on that option, and yeah, from here you can flatten your stomach successfully. So basically this is how you can flatten your stomach on FaceTune app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.